go to?
Casey, what do you want to do?
Hey!
Hello, are you awake?
Oh, sorry, what was this?
We don't feel like going home yet. What do you want to do?
I'm starving. How about we eat over there? Uy, good idea! Let's go!
Good day, everyone. Here's our menu. Call me when your order is done.
Thank you.
Waiter,
What would you like?
we would like 3 serving of this, and for the drinks, 1 soda and 2 juice.
Okay, so 1 soda and 2 juice.
Wait, I want to soda too.
Okay, 2 soda and 1 juice.
Yes. Actually, I'd rather have water.
Okay, so your drinks would be 2 sodas and a glass of water.
Wait, I think mine need. I just remember I do is, but I have.
You're also complicated. How about you write your own orders?
Hello, waiter. Did you get our order?
Oh, yes, I got all your orders. 3 servings of pancit, 1 soda, and juice and water.
That's right. Thank you so much.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning, Mom.
Good morning, ma'am.
So, how's the company going? Especially for the newbies.
It was good, ma'am. Actually, it was a bit hard at first.
Okay. And how about you, Lois?
To be honest, it's very hard for a newbie like me. I still don't know how to handle my time.
I see. Don't worry. You'll get it soon. And as for you, Faith, how's it going for you? Faith? Hey, Faith. Hello?
Hey, what is it?
I said, how's work?
It's raining, of course. As you can see, and it's passing out because of stress.
You might need some rest then. You know, for your health.
By the way, ma'am, I sent the research paper on your Gmail.
Thank you, Alex. Good job.
Mom, I think my Gmail is bugging or something. It's not sending.
No problem, Lois. Just send it to my messenger. Alright, let me see. All good. Thank you, Lois. Faith, I think you sent me the wrong image.
Oh my gosh, I'm really sorry, Mom. I'm just really stressed.
I really think you need some rest. Okay, guys, so I have received all of your updates. We have nothing else to do today, so that's all. I think we should all get some rest. It's Saturday anyways, so thank you guys for the research.
I'm sorry again, guys. Thanks for understanding, Bang.
It's alright, Faith.
Goodbye, Mom. Thank you.
Thanks, everyone.
Alright, take care all of you. Bye.